think of what we've done as being the godfather of Australian style or food. The blue skies, the surf culture, that outdoors. And I really wanted to celebrate what was quintessentially Australian. I've been credited with inventing a couple of things. One I'm sure about, the ricotta hotcakes with honeycomb butter are definitely my invention. The other one is avocado toast. While flattering, I'm sure someone else put toast and avocado together before me, but maybe I was the first one to put it on a menu and the first one to put it in a book. So maybe it was just a bit of luck. But who would have thought avocado toast? My grandfather had set up something where all of his grandchildren could borrow $20,000 Australian to start our own business. And it was the best thing that could have happened, because when you're young, you can't get finance for a business, you know, and capital is your hardest thing to get hold of. When I was an art student, I took a gap year, and during that time I came and spent 4 months in Japan. From those early days, Japanese food has always been hugely influential to me. I don't know how that happened. I've done all these extraordinary things just from liking to cook pancakes and scrambled eggs, which is pretty amazing. I think what people love about it is it's less of a commitment than dinner. It's a way to relax, unwind, have a coffee, read a newspaper, catch up on emails, and I think that's why breakfast has become such a big trend around the world.
Food needs to look beautiful in the bowl, on the plate, and then I guess my creative spirit wanted everything to be beautiful as well, to sell people the dream. I love the styling, I love the creative process behind every book, every magazine. Magazine can be a little bit more flippant, a little bit more creative, a little bit more arty, whereas books I think need to be a little bit more classic. When you write recipes, you naturally become a perfectionist if you want them to work, and if you want people's trust that they're going to pick up one of your recipes, follow it, it works, it looks great, looks like the photo. And we've dabbled in homewares. I have baking range in the supermarkets, little bits and pieces that we just wanted to have fun with. It was a really a huge struggle for me. I was quite happy to sit behind my brand and be the person just working away as the little stylist, but that was a real game changer, coming in front of the camera and learning not to be so shy and yeah. Horrible times when you first do it. I haven't got sad yet. I'm really excited and really proud of what we achieved. I love the website, I love working in digital, I love the clarity of the pictures and the crispness that you get on digital, but I'm still a big lover of paper, so I'm torn between the two, and let's face it, what I do next has to be amazing.